Can you tell me what is going on inside your mind? Cause you're so hard to read, it's like you're tangled in the lies. You tell me one thing, do another. Tell me where you stand. Tell me what is going on tonight inside your mind. Cause this isn't the way that we planned it. We never allowed for a broken heart. This isn't the way that we dreamt of living, drifting further apart. What happened to happy ever after? What happened to living like forever young? Seems like we're living in a nightmare. Is this just the start? To escape this, cause you don't know what's going wrong. This could get dangerous real fast if you're left on your own. I think you need some time, I think you need some hope. I think you need someone to tell you that this is the darkest road. Cause this isn't the way that we planned it. Of living, drifting further apart. What happened to happy ever after? What happened to living like forever young? Seems like we're living in a nightmare. Is this just the start? Can you tell me what is going on inside your mind? Cause you're so hard to read, it's like you're tangled in the lies. You tell me one thing, do another. Tell me where you stand. Tell me what is going on tonight inside your mind. Cause this isn't the way that we planned it.
So my straps have ended up being too long, so I'm going to reduce that. And also I want it to be tighter, so from here to where my hips will be to around, let me see, to around here. I'm gonna have to reduce it. I'll have to reduce this and this and this. So I'll reduce the straps, and then I will like shape it down so that it snatches my waist around there and there, and then I'll be good to go. So this is what I have finally come up with. So let me just give you a close look and then we try it on. Yep, that is how it looks. Yep, let's try it on.
This isn't the way that we dreamt of living, drifting further apart. What happened to happy ever after? What happened to living like forever young? Seems like we're living in a nightmare. Is this just the start?
Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Yay, yay! I really love how this one turned out.